Important key points of this lecture includes difference between cash book and passbook, debit and credit balance of cash book, debit and credit balance of passbook. Difference between cash book and passbook. When we are to prepare a bank reconciliation statement, we are to start with the bank balance as per cash book, or with the bank balance as per passbook. Following are the major differences between cash book and passbook. Cash book. Point number 1. The accountant records the transactions in the cash book. Passbook. Point number 1. Although it is kept by the businessman, bank records the transaction in the passbook. Point number 2. The debit balance of cash book indicates the amount deposited into the bank, and the credit balance of cash book indicates the amount withdrawn from bank. The amount credited in the passbook indicates the amount deposited in the bank, and the amount debited in the passbook indicates the amount withdrawn from the bank. Point number 3. Any mistake in the cash book may be rectified by ourselves. Any mistake in the passbook may be rectified by the bank authority. Point number 4. It is the principal book of account of our accounting system. It is the transcript of the books of account maintained by the bank. Point number 5. It is an asset, so it is included in the real account. It is personal account to the bank. Cash book. Debit balance of cash book indicates the amount deposited into the bank, and the credit balance of cash book indicates the amount withdrawn from bank. When deposits are more than withdrawals, that means debit balance of cash book, which shows balance available at bank. Debit balance of cash book is favorable balance. The credit balance of cash book indicates the amount withdrawn from bank. When withdrawals are more than deposits, this is called credit balance of cash book. Credit balance of cash book is unfavorable balance. Passbook. The amount debited in the passbook indicates the amount withdrawn from the bank. If withdrawals are more than deposits, this is called debit balance of the passbook. The amount credited in the passbook indicates the amount deposited in the bank. If deposits are more than withdrawals, this is credit balance of the passbook. Debit balance of passbook indicates unfavorable balance, and credit balance of the passbook indicates favorable balance of the passbook. If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.